Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you Microsoft Word on 365. So you're already in 365. You just click on Word here. What it's going to do is it's going to pop up a screen here where you can start a new document, and things appear in different templates. And you can see things that I've had recent that I've put on here, and other work that I've stored on OneDrive myself. So the one thing about Word on 365, I'll warn you first, is it's not going to be as easy to use on here as it would be on your desktop. So if you have Word on your desktop, I recommend using it there, and then from there you can save it to OneDrive. Uh, you can save your document on OneDrive here, and you can share it with other people from the desktop app. But for Word on 365, you can go in and you can create a new document. Very simple. I know most of you know how to do that already. Um, but when you go into your document, this is automatically a live document. As soon as you get in, you will have a working document. Now, you're not collaborating with anybody at this time on the document, whether it be a student that's working on a research paper in high school, students who are working on maybe maybe some kind of project that requires them to use Word in middle school. And I know some of my students type even in second grade with this. For you kindergarten and people who don't have one-to-one computers and don't have access to a lot of this for your kids, it can still be used if they rotate in centers or something like that. It's a little bit harder for the younger age kids to start typing because they're just now learning how to write and phonics and things like that. So this may not pertain to you as much, but it can pertain to you when you're working with your fellow educators and collaborating with things. So what we're going to do is we're just going to simply walk through the tools of Word here. So it's just like if you were on the desktop app here. It does constantly save, so you never have to click File and Save. You can save it as something to rename it, but that's very simple to do on here. I can just go up and I can click on my document and I can save it as just this is going to be my test document here. So you can see once I click off of it, it's already saved. So you have your file where you can go in and you can save. You can transform it into a PDF. You can print it. You can share it. About the document gives you information in the code behind it if you're interested in that. You can make a new information, and you have info that's on the document, word count, and all that kind of stuff. So you have that. You have your home screen, which is right here, which a lot of you are already familiar with. Your clipboard, cut and paste, your formatter, font and style, bold, italicize, color, highlight, bullets, numbered bullets, your alignments, your spacings. If you want to find something within your files, reuse certain files, you can dictate here, and you have your editor. Your dictation is kind of like where you'll read over it, and it can put it on here for you. So, and then you have more options here. We'll dive into those a little bit deeper later on. The big thing, if you want to make it a live document, is the share button. You can click that share button, and we'll get into that a little bit deeper later on too. And you can share it with other colleagues once they click on the link or the document that you sent. Now they can get in if you give them permission, and they can edit the document, and you can start working collaboratively. Works the same way with your students. If you want to go in and help them with some revising and stuff, comments is a really good spot to do that. I know with my kids, I use the highlighter a lot, but really, really good tools right here in Word for 365. So I hope that helps. Thanks.